Hello, Zamina.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm also good. It is your first time in the camp,
Yes, it's my first time in camp.
and so
I'm very excited. I really like this place. It's very interesting here.
yeah, just proceed. How was your day in the camp?
My day spent very exciting and interesting. Here they give us 3 times food. It's breakfast, lunch, and dinner that are very delicious and very big, and also teamwork. We have teams that are very supporting and respect each other, and also here many competitions, also interesting games. Like also I like workshops. It's a lot of things, interesting things where we can learn something and learn something new. And also our day starts at 9 a.m. and finish like 7 p.m. Also in camp we don't spend time to scroll Instagram, TikTok. Our days goes very effective and active. There are very kind person, a lot of kind persons. Сколько там? That's all.
Do you think this camp will change you?
Yes, I think it can change my mindset, and because I every day I learn something new and I take the experience. Yes, I think it will be change my daily life. Goodbye.